Hi, welcome to another video about the ArcoLinux app, and we made to shift to a GUI that's user interface. The look is either code or glade, and we're not in the timing. We have made our shift already to glade. So in the dev you can follow all the code we put online in ArcoLinux app glade dev development. And we go to the code itself, and maybe it's always good, which I always do not always do, that is have a look at what's the current state. So last video we changed a lot of things in the logging. We made new definitions, and then we ended up with all kind of issues, and we solved those issues, and now we have this text logging. And there's also a new way how to write away the log files, rather than, let's do a new tab, rather than going to this particular folder, we go to the destination. The future destination is a var, and then log. Many of the applications that you have a log file. And here we have the ArcoLinux and ArcoLinux app glade, and here every single time you launch it, it has a file saying, okay, the same thing, the exact same thing you see in the terminal goes into a file. Close without saving. Okay, so that's all working. And then late last night I thought, Eric, you forgot to do this and that, and I thought, no, go to bed. It was 2 a.m. Close tab, and then we go to the code. What did I forget? What I would like to test out as well. In the video we introduced constants, and we introduced in our class a def init with small little things pointing to other definitions. So here he's saying it, okay. And we have the backups, and we have it ordered the way it should be in timing as well. But what's in here is also something very specific, the splash screen. And I had the idea, but I forgot it last night. I say, okay, I could make a dev splash screen, couldn't I? I don't know. So if you don't know and you want to know, you just test it. Trial and error, guys. So Ctrl X, there you go, one line less, save. And then where should we put it? Just before, in the beginning, setup logging, splashing can be at the beginning, right? Self, and then splash. So it's this nice thing you see when you boot up. This nice image, dev, splash. Yes, splash, and then self. Go there. Voila. Does that work? So as a computer, he starts here, give me the splash, then set up the logging, then go to backups, then do the versioning, and then set up finally the GUI. Does that work? That was the question I had. I wanted to find out yesterday. So did something wrong, I think. Let's check. No. Just an enter, my fingers are just way too big. That's it. But that's here the thing I saw. But everything is fine. So we have a normal. If you want to see where are we in the code, it's a good tip to do a clean. You got this nice colorful thing, and then you go up, and then you know, okay, last time I booted up, that's the new code. All right, that's all I wanted to do in this video. And I'll think what should be next. So creating elements and then calling it in the right sequence is important. And I think we need to go inside the code for testing a little bit more and look at the variables that we use in the different functions. That's for the next video.